Hello everyone. Education of students is badly affected by this pandemic situation and reaching physically to the students is just impossible these days. So initiative to convert this Utkarsh program from offline mode into online is really a very positive step. PFA has taken steps to orient us to design content based videos of this Utkarsh program and uploading these videos in Sikkha Sanjog and Diksha portal is really a very good step, and this will help the learning loss of the students. So this year there is a change in Utkarsh program. So let me tell you what are the changes that is going to be there in Utkarsh program. So what are the major points? First I would like to tell these points to all of you. So the first point is these activities or the worksheets will be given through Sikkha Sanjog program. The first thing is all these worksheets or videos will be provided to the students in the same way as all other PDFs are given to the teachers, that is head teachers and finally to the WhatsApp group of the students. So the process is same. And second thing is previously we had 69 days Utkarsh program in 3 steps, but there is a change this year. So this year Utkarsh will be conducted for 30 to 35 days. In every alternative day, we have one video with one or two worksheets, and the timetable is already given by DO office. In Utkarsh this year we have two types of students. One is access to internet and the other one is no access to internet. So those who have access to internet, we have to give them these videos and they will watch them. But the others, those who do not have these opportunities, we have to call them at least 5 to 10 so that we can give them some tips to do these worksheets. So the process is as the same. The SRG State Resource Group will send the materials to the DO office and the DO office will send to the head teachers and the head teachers to the teachers and finally reach the students WhatsApp group. So here the job of the teachers is to watch whether the students have completed the worksheets or not, and they have to give the feedback also. So another point here we have, if the teachers they desire to develop videos or audios on the concept of Utkarsh lessons, then they can do that and share that with the students. Now comes to the baseline and endline test. There is a change in baseline and endline. This year these will be conducted no doubt in online mode, and we will have Google form. That will be given in the same process from SRG to DO office to head teachers and finally to the students. In this exam, we will have at only 5 questions in each label, and total we have 3 labels, 5 in label 1, 5 in label 2 and 5 in label 3. Total we have 15 questions to answer for the students in baseline and endline. So now the baseline link is not given, it will be given very soon. And before that we have to start the Utkarsh classes according to the routine that is given by the DO office. Now comes the report. A report will be given by the head teacher in 3 forms. First one is the first form in using the Google link. Here first fortnight information will be given on the 9th October and the second fortnight, that is 23rd October, and the last one is on 14th December. On 7th to 8th December, we will have our endline test. So in this way we have to do, and the state resource groups and the state resource teachers, they will be in different WhatsApp groups and they will observe and monitor and give information again in the Google link that is given by the SRGs, that is state resource group. I hope you are now totally clear what is Utkarsh and how to conduct it. So hope we will have a very smooth conduct of this program and there will be no doubt, and hope it will be helpful for our dear students. Finally, the students will get the optimum output from these videos. Thank you one and all.